calling for rain. It feels darker in here than it did yesterday. There's bones in the closet, they came out to play, but I'm way too tired to entertain them today. They want me to surrender, and I could be selfish, give up forever. And I remember birds still singing bad things, flowers grow around graves. Not everyone stays, but the real ones do. Our moon moves in phases, so give yourself a little grace. And if you look close where the cracks meet, we're still blooming in concrete. Running a tight ship, I try not to drown. We pray for the moment I can touch solid ground. Not supposed to be easy, and that's something I know, but my arms feel so heavy, holding on to the hope. I could sink in the silence, I could blame anybody else for this battle I'm fighting. But then I'm reminded birds still singing bad things, flowers grow around graves. Not everyone stays, but the real ones do. Our moon moves in phases, so give yourself a little grace. And if you look close where the cracks meet, we're still blooming in concrete. You guys still doing good out there?